In this question, two statements are given, and based on these two statements, you have to choose the correct option. Statement 1. Restriction endonucleases recognize specific sequence to cut DNA known as the palindromic nucleotide sequence. Now it is correct. Each restriction endonuclease recognizes a specific palindromic nucleotide sequence in the DNA, and it will bind to the DNA and cut each of the two strands of double helix at those specific points. Statement 2. Restriction endonucleases cut the DNA strand a little away from the center of the palindromic site. Now, it is also true. Restriction enzymes cut the DNA strand a little away from the center of the palindrome site, but between the same two bases on the opposite strands. Hence, the correct answer is option D. Options A, B, and C are incorrect, as these includes incorrect combination.